Hey guys, Andy Glass here, Glass Impressions. Today I have a fun little project using my CamFive laser. It is using these leather patches that I picked up in bulk on Etsy or eBay, I believe. I don't remember which one, probably Amazon as well. I'll try to have a link in the video description here. But these leather patches are perfect for spice jars, organization trays in your craft room, in your workshop. Anything where you need to label, these leather patches are a really fun and creative way to do so. Now I have two versions here. One that has the label all the way across that is meant to be used as either double-sided tape or maybe some contact cement to put it on whatever you're using. And then the other one with two screw holes or rivet holes on each side. And I've done this in a creative way using a locating jig on the laser itself. Now this particular jig only has one spot for a leather patch, but you could take this concept and you could put it all across your entire work area of your laser and do hundreds of them, maybe even thousands depending how big your laser is at one single time. Now this is just one really creative way that you can use a laser in your workshop or home setting and also make money at it too. These decorative leather labels are probably pretty hot. I haven't even checked Etsy on there to see if it's something that people are interested in or buying out there. So let me walk you through a little voiceover of how I set this up and how I made it happen. Let me bring you in for a closer look. So now we're over at the laser here. Back in the office or my CNC command and control station over there, I measured the leather patch. Now this particular one is roughly small. It's kind of like a perfect size for address labels, spice jars, but online has just a bunch of different size options. But after measuring that, I drew that geometry in Lightburn, which is the software that comes with the CamFive lasers, and I've made the pocket just a little bit wider in each direction, and that allows the laser patch to sit in there comfortably and not be a super friction fit. I then took the cutoff piece and thinned it down, thinned the thickness of the plywood so that when we have it, it slips right back in there. And now the leather patch has a nice registration pocket for it to fit in to make repeatable engravings or cutting very fast and easy. Now this particular jig registers up against this particular registration point, which is just fixed on the machine because this table is not moving. It's not the 0 point of the machine or anything. I've just picked that lower spot or put the geometry right here, and it works perfect to line that up. So I can save this jig and I can do it this again at a later date. Now this particular jig only has one pocket, but you could do hundreds of them on your machine just next to each other, here, 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 here. And that's how you can be very, very efficient and do hundreds of them at once and be very productive with your time. With the leather patch in position, nice and centered in that pocket, we'll then take a piece of masking tape to hold it nice and flat and help with any burn marks coming from the engraving. Let's bring you in for a closer look and we'll do a couple.